Hello and welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing great. Christmas is around the corner and I have made some more decorations and ornaments for my Christmas tree. This time using only paper. If you haven't checked out my last big videos, Christmas decorations with yarn, do click the link that is on the screen, or you can check it later. I will mention it in the description box. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video. So I've taken 3 printed paper here and I'll make circles of same size, cut them, and now fold it into half, the printed side inside. Now glue all of them, arranging in any way you want, in any order. All the crafts I'm going to show you today are very simple to do, and instead of printed paper you can use any other paper whatever is available at your home, like newspaper, books, pages, and brown papers, anything. Now before gluing the last two, I'll just put a string or a yarn here and then glue the last one. I've tied a knot at the bottom of the string. Next I have used a coffee filter. I'll fold it 4 times. And now I am going to draw my design on it. You can make any designs and then cut it. This was my favorite out of all the paper ornaments I made. This came out really well. See how beautiful it came out, and I have stuck them on my windows. See how nice it's looking. Next one, I will cut this cardstock in thin strips. I will glue 2 of them in perpendicular and then make a 8-sided strip and then fold and glue it. So this one is done. This is very pretty ones. You can put a thread and hang it near your Christmas tree, but later I actually put them directly on the Christmas tree. Now I've taken some colorful origami paper. I'll just fold it diagonally in a triangle shape. As you can see, I have made triangular lines, but they are not meeting at the end. So you cut on the lines. You're not going to cut it all through it. So when you open it, you'll see two sides are opened of this diamond shape or square. Now you fold it and glue it at the tip. So the next one I will do it on the opposite side. So alternate the sides every time. So after completing, this is how it will look. This also you can hang it from a string, on a string, but I again put them on the Christmas tree directly. Now next one, I am going to make a paper wreath. For that I am cutting a paper plate. You cut the center. Then with my green streamers, I'm just going to glue them outwards like this. Now I'll take a red streamer, red paper ribbon, and make a bow and hang it on one side. I'm also going to make small red and white balls with glue and the paper, and place it on the wreath. After drying, this is how it looks. I've placed it on my door. Next one, I've used mini cupcake liners and a popsicle. I'll just put those inside and glue them glue the frills and make a small pink Christmas tree. Continue this. Till the top. So this is done. I'll just add a star at the top with a different cupcake liner. And distribute them. So that's it for today. Hope you have liked all of them. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. And before you leave, I want to request you to check out our Etsy store, Zen Canvas Studio. We have yarn mandalas, coasters, magnets, and Christmas ornaments for the holiday season. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.